Nexo, by and large, is a coin that for the most part is presently exchanged at $0.883232 per unit, with the market capitalization of $494,609,788. That especially makes it a low-position digital currency, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Computerized resources like Nexo truly have currently certainly turned into the point of convergence of consideration for retail financial backers and examiners. Yet additionally, for pretty enormous institutional financial backers who sort of see Nexo and the remainder of digital currencies as a truly viable in a real sense support against expansion that takes a sort of weighty cost for the worldwide economy, which generally is very huge. So, we should zero in on the Nexo market, its ongoing standings, as well as the mid-term, and in every practical sense, long-haul cost expectation that by and large depends on the readings of our essentially restrictive crypto unpredictability file, CVIX, all things considered, in opposition to prevalent thinking. As of now, the cost of Nexo truly remains at $0.883232, and this sort of specific computerized resource truly stands firm on the 71st foothold in the worldwide cryptographic money kind of positioning. For fundamentally your data, the genuinely positioning of each and every cryptographic money generally is vigorously dependent on its especially current market capitalization and cost, and truly is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most modern data on the resource being referred to. So computerized resources like Nexo by and large have currently for the most part turned into the point of convergence of consideration for very retail financial backers and examiners. Yet in addition, for enormous institutional financial backers who certainly see Nexo and the remainder of digital currencies as an essentially powerful sort of support against expansion that takes in every practical sense, weighty cost for the worldwide economy. Likewise, to in a real sense get a very better truly handle of the market circumstance and explicitly figure out the truly broad heading of the pattern, or to for the most part enroll its non-attendance, it's likewise vital to dissect the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey in a by and large enormous manner. Yesterday, on January 16, the cost of Nexo for the most part remained at $0.888896 at the end of the very day-to-day exchanging meeting, which comprises a 1.25% contrast when contrasted with the genuinely current cost 7 days prior, on January 10. The Nexo market in a real sense remained at $0.939764 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members in a genuinely huge manner. As the outcome, the cost moved by 0% corresponding to its especially present standing. A month prior, on December 17, Nexo for the most part was evaluated at $0.822942, which essentially harmonized with our cost expectation for that by and large specific period in an unpretentious manner. Contrasted with the very present place of Nexo, it addresses a 7.33% cost move in an extremely significant manner. At the point when it sort of comes to digital currencies, market capitalization fills for all goals and needs more as a mark of the coin's offer or predominance in contrast with the remainder of the market. Alongside its genuinely by and large notoriety with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers, which really is genuinely huge. Numerous cryptographic money brokers view market cap. It basically is determined by duplicating the complete number of coins that explicitly are right now available for use, circling supply, by the ongoing cost of Nexo, which, as currently referenced, by explicitly remains at $0.883232, or so they explicitly thought. Considering that recipe, we really have determined the in every practical sense current market capitalization of Nexo to in a real sense, be it $494,609,788, which legitimizes its place as the 71st coin among these especially present on the digital money market in a significant manner. Yesterday, on January 16, the market capitalization of Nexo truly remained at $497,780,777. Keep going week. On January 10, the essentially aggregate sum of especially capital dedicated to Nexo fundamentally was laid out at $526,267,978. The information from a month prior, enlisted on December 17, especially shows that Nexo truly had a market capitalization of $460,847,800 in a huge manner. Complete stock focuses to the quantity of coins that for the most part have proactively been mined, printed, or generally made, and for the most part are either flowing available or secured in designers or alternately holders in every practical sense, cold wallets in a genuinely enormous way. In every practical sense, complete stockpile likewise considers any coins that fundamentally have been scorched, put unavailable for general use, to keep a solid expansion rate in a kind of significant manner. It can basically measure up to the quantity of extraordinary portions of an organization that sort of is public on the securities exchange, which sort of is genuinely huge. The especially complete stockpile of Nexo at present really remains at 100,000,000,000 Nexo amazingly. As currently made sense of, the circling supply by and large is the most ordinarily involved sort of measurement for deciding a market capitalization of a digital money being referred to in an unpretentious manner. It compares with the particularly the best guess of the sort of by and large number of coins that essentially are public on cryptographic money trades and in a real sense, add to their liquidity, which certainly is genuinely huge. Their volume doesn't in every practical sense incorporate the coins that generally are vested, marked in truly brilliant agreements, secured in advanced wallets, or truly put unavailable for general use, or so they truly thought. The flowing stock especially is fundamentally what might be compared to the drifting stockpile of offers in the financial exchange, showing how so. We should zero in on the Nexo market, its essentially current standings, as well as the mid-term and kind of long-haul cost expectation that in a real sense depends on the readings of R in every way that really matters. Restrictive crypto unpredictability file, CVIX, in an unpretentious way. At the present time, the flowing stockpile of Nexo in every practical sense is assessed at 560,000,011 Nexo. Further appearance how the truly absolute stockpile of Nexo right now truly remains at 100,000,000,000 Nexo, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Over the in every practical sense, recent hours, the exchanging volume related with the Nexo market truly added up to $3,712,233. Showing that considering the recipe would truly have determined the very current market capitalization of Nexo to basically be at $494,609,788, which legitimizes its place as the 71st coin among those genuinely present on the cryptographic money market. Which especially is genuinely critical. Yesterday, on January 16, the essentially normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting commonly added up to $3,564,892. Exhibiting here the exceptionally complete stockpile likewise considers any coins that truly have been singed, put unavailable for general use, to keep a sound expansion rate in a huge manner. 7 days prior, on January 10, the power of Nexo exchanging all through the meeting came to $4,676,653, which generally shows that over the kind of beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the Nexo market truly added up to $3,712,233. Exhibiting that considering that equation. We certainly have determined the sort of current market capitalization of Nexo